Hi there, it's Will from Mason Kings. I'm back again to show you another point on your deck to make sure you look after and go through. So on this machine, they're all quite similar. Some have grease points on top, some have on the side. This one has a nice little slot in this hole here that you can put your grease point in, grease the machine up, give it, 5 to 10 squirts. That's enough. If it makes it easier and you can take the covers off, all you got to do is you've got 1, 2, 3 10 mils. Loosen them 3 10 mils, lift up the cover, and then as you can see in there, you have the grease point. Put your grease gun on, give it a couple squirts. That's all you need to do. After you've done that, make sure this cover goes back on. This cover is very important because it stops your belt coming off. It's got a bit of a guide on the inside. Just pop that back on there. After the cover's on and it's all tight, the machine should be back together. If you have any questions on this and you need a hand with it, in service we do this anyway, but we can provide the necessary help that you may need. So thank you for listening. Any questions, let us know.